Okay, so I just had my first visit with CJ. Very impressed. As you can see, I have crochet. Um, wow, first time getting crochet braids and braids not super tight. Hair is very light. I love it. Definitely will be coming back. Definitely love the techniques that she used. Love the products. So looking forward to my hair care journey. Very light, very light. And also I definitely love the one-on-one attention that she provided with my install. Again, I found out about CJ from my sister who found her on Facebook. I decided to give her a try. Definitely will be my go-to stylist. So, love my crochets. Now my sister is here getting her hair done. So just looking forward to all that CJ can provide. But love it, love it, love it. Love my crochets. Just love my crochets.